The new multifunctional vegetable washing machine adopts the vortex and bubble method. In the process of bubbling and shaking, the material is vortex-type tumbling cleaning. The equipment has a water filtration function to separate the floating objects in the cleaning process. It uses self-luminous metal buttons, good touch, and waterproof effect. Manual one-button smart start cleaning operation. The equipment can clean a variety of fruits, vegetables, or meats. It is suitable for food processing and distribution centers, school canteens, large food markets, and restaurants.